Welcome to our guide on installing Python on Windows 11. Python is a powerful, high-level programming language that's perfect for beginners and experienced developers alike. It's known for its simplicity and readability, making it an ideal choice for those just starting out. With Python, you can create web applications, analyze data, automate tasks, and even dive into artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire installation process on Windows 11, ensuring that you have everything set up to start your programming journey. So let's get started. To begin, we need to download Python. Open your web browser and go to the official Python website at python.org. Once there, navigate to the Download section. You'll see a button that says Download Python for Windows 11. Click on this button and the download will start automatically. Make sure to choose the latest version, as it will have the newest features and updates. If you're unsure which version to download, the website usually recommends the best version for your system. Once the download is complete, let's move on to the next step. Now that we have downloaded the installer, it's time to run it. Locate the downloaded file, usually found in your Downloads folder, and double-click on it to start the installation process. When the installer opens, you'll see an option that says Add Python to Path. It's crucial to check this box before proceeding, as it allows you to run Python from the command line. After that, click on Install Now. The installation will begin, and it might take a few minutes. Once it's finished, you'll receive a confirmation message. Click Close to exit the installer. To ensure that Python has been installed correctly, we need to verify the installation. Open the command prompt by searching for CMD in the Windows search bar. Once it's open, type in Python version and hit Enter. If Python has been successfully installed, you should see the version number displayed. If you encounter an error, it could mean that Python wasn't added to your path correctly. In that case, you may need to reinstall it and ensure the option is checked during installation. Now that we've confirmed Python is installed, let's set up your development environment. To start programming in Python, you'll need a development environment. There are several great options available, but two of the most popular are Visual Studio Code and PyCharm. Visual Studio Code is lightweight and highly customizable, making it perfect for beginners. PyCharm, on the other hand, is a full-featured IDE specifically for Python development, offering advanced features for more experienced users. You can download either of these editors from their official websites. Once installed, you can start writing your first Python script. Remember, practice is key to becoming proficient in programming. Happy coding!